The 8-pound medicine ball, I'm rolling out your lower torso. So we're going to start off with our quadricep muscle down here in the front. We're going to get in a plank position. This leg on the other side is my driver. So when I move this leg back and forth, I can roll up and down like this. And I'm going all the way across like this. And I can bring this knee a little bit higher. So I see I'm covering a little more distance now. And it's all about keeping straight angles like this. You don't want to be looking down like this, and you don't want to be looking up like that. And see, I can go across. Remember when we do this cross fiber work, since the muscles are going long ways, when we go across the fiber, we're creating blood flow and circulation immediately. Then if one of your foot's pointed outward, that means you have a tight IT band. So all you do is bring this leg up a little bit and turn right onto that IT band. And it's a little bit tight on me too. So puts like a little shock wave through your body. So the goal again here is to not get all rounded up like this, is to keep your body as straight as possible. And you're gonna roll right down this line. Because this muscle gets so tight, it turns your foot out when your foot should be straight. Then you want to go back down to the front again. You just go right down to the front. And if we want to get the inside, the adductor, all we do is bring the leg out like this. We get in here right up in the crotch area. And here's our adductor on the inside. So for the people that are standing too close together, we're going to roll side to side right down this line right here. Again, we're starting up at the very top of the muscle, because that's where it's the biggest area. Then we're kind of going side to side across it. And what does that do again? That gives us the blood flow and circulation immediately. So that covers 3 good aspects there. You can also, for your calves, you can sit on it, on your calf like this, and you can just hold your hand, or you can put some dumbbells, or you can make a fist, because if your hands are flat, you'll hurt your hands, and roll down your calf the same way like this. So a real big one that a lot of athletes do because they have no time. So we're going to lay on our back. You want to have a head support. So here's the bone for my pelvis. I'm going to put a ball right here, and I'm going to roll right to the side, right on top of that ball. Then I go to the top of my lat. I'm going to go right here. I'm going to bring this knee up a little bit, and I'm going to put the ball on both spots. So the lat's the biggest muscle in your upper body. So it makes your shoulders internally rotate. So if they're tight, they're internally rotated all the time. And then what I'll do is I can bring my arm down like this a little bit and come back up like this a little bit. So that's called active release therapy. Then once I go a couple of times, I'll stop and let it rest a little bit. Then I'll come down here, bring my knee up, bring my leg back. And the looser it gets, see, I can bring my foot way back like this. I can come way up like this. So the more you do this like 20 times on each side, your lower torso will just love you for it. If your body's cold, you will definitely get warmed up because it is a little bit painful in the spots you're putting it in. But the reward you get for it, I can't even explain. It just makes you feel amazing when you're done. Thank you very much.